Oh my god, how did I not notice that this thing was fake? How? Hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you are good. I hope you've missed me because I took quite a break from YouTube. I don't think I've posted anything in like 2 months, but I'm back. The break was a necessary something. I was pursuing a degree in the university. Okay, if you want to know how stressful that was, you want to hear me rant about it, please let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, just hit the thumbs up button. I mean, you might as well. And as you are doing that, right beside it here, you will see one red button there. They call it the subscribe button. Just help me, and you know, it's free. You know, it doesn't cost you nothing to subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? And while you're down there as well, make sure you hit the bell so that you get notified every single time that I post a new video. Okay, I like that we are in agreement. And for all of you there that have not still done it, I've got my eye on you. So for the agenda for today, for this video, I am going to be doing the first of its kind on this channel. It's gonna be a makeup video, and it's gonna be a bit funny. You know why? Because I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using fake or off-brand products. I know a lot of people are probably like, why did you do that? Well, I am new to makeup, and as I was buying the something, stupid me, instead of me to go with a makeup artist that will tell me, okay, this is the one, this is the one, this is the... I just went there blindly. The woman was just giving me things, me too, I was just collecting inside baskets, and at the end of everything I paid. I'm stuck with these now, and you know, money cannot waste. I am going to use them like that. If you haven't caught on yet, I'm a beginner at this makeup thing, obviously, because like I didn't even know what I was doing in the market. As for application, we will see today. That's pretty much what is going on in this video. I hope you enjoy it. Again, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Now let's go. Okay, starting with the primer, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Sun Cream Base. You can see from the nonsense English at the bottom there that this thing is not original, and I didn't notice it until I finished buying it. I know that this brand is supposed to be NYX, like NYX, and this is NYX as in NWX, so you know that it's fake. But like I said, money cannot come and waste. It's not as if there's anything I can do about it at this point. So I'm done applying the primer. It dries really fast and it leaves a white cast. I don't know if that is how primers are supposed to behave. Like I said, beginner, and it is obviously fake. So let me know if primers are actually supposed to dry fast and leave a white cast. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows. Okay, I shape my brows by myself. I don't know if you people can appreciate the beauty of DIY. This one is botched. This one, I don't even know what happened here, but this one, I'm super proud of this one. This one I tried. To do my brows, I'm going to use this pencil. Yes, Davis pencil in the color 003. I'm going to be using this hair wax thing for brow gel because, I mean, they look the same, so they should act the same. What do you think? And then finally for concealer, I'm gonna be using that's right, LA Lady Pro Conceal. So yeah, I'm gonna be using LA Lady, not LA Girl, LA Lady, because I'm a lady. Oh my god, how did I not notice that this thing was fake? Anyway, I've got my mirror here and I'm gonna just do my brows right now. Okay, so I'm done with my brows, and I think they look pretty good. It didn't blend out quite as smoothly as original LA Girl would, but I won't but I won't say it's like terrible. Up next is to set my entire face with white powder. I'm using this white powder that I'm sure everybody knows, this Enchanteur. I don't know how you pronounce it, but everybody knows this powder. This is like the one thing that is probably not fake in my entire makeup kit. It is time for foundation. I can bet you your lunch money and you don't know the brand that I'm about to pull out on you people just now. Drum roll please. Raise your hands in the comment section if you have ever heard of Tonivia.
Oh my god, what is that?
Tonivia HD All Matte Foundation. Tonivia to the world, y'all. Up until I bought this thing, I had never heard of it before, but the one was telling me it's good, it's very good. If you have oily skin, it will matte your face like this, and all the oil will just be scared to come outside. I was like, sold. The funniest part of this foundation is the way it squirts out. You know how you see on YouTube when people are applying this foundation, you squirt it to drip. This one is not dripping, nothing. Watch, just watch. It's like a stapler, like just. Even the brush self is fake, you know. It's removing bristles on my face. It's totally nameless anyway. I don't expect it to be original when it doesn't even have name. The foundation is not bad. It is not, I don't think it's too dark for my skin, and I think it's actually very much my skin color. Let's do the eyes. The eyes is the next thing. For my eyes, I'll be using this BH26 color palette. It contains eyeshadow and blush palettes. So yeah, I have seen reviews on this palette and a lot of people have said that they don't like it, especially dark-skinned people. A lot of dark-skinned people have said that they do not like this palette because the matte colors are a bit pasty and powdery, like they just are not very pigmented, but the shimmer colors are all right according to the reviews. I've used it a couple of times too and I've noticed these things, and let's just say money cannot waste. I've bought the palette and I will use the palette. Wow, that's a lot of eyeshadow. I forgot to show you guys. So for the dark brown, like upper inner crease place, I used this dark brown, this one over here, and then for the outer darker shade, I used this one. This is obviously the darkest shade in the entire palette. Now for the shimmer color in the middle, I think this one and this one. E for effort. Come on. Okay, so up next we've got eyeliner. I'll be using the Huda Beauty. It is spelled correctly, so it's possible that it is real. I'm also gonna line my under eyes with this Davies pencil in black, or color 001. It tickles. It tickles, it tickles, it tickles. Alright, I'm done lining my eyes. It wasn't easy. Next is lashes. If you think lining my eyes was a struggle, wait till I put lashes. I got these like low quality lashes for real cheap, like 7 pairs of lashes for like $2.5. So you know that I cut some corners. A little bit of the lash glue upon the lash. That the lashes should be tacky enough now. Let the struggle begin. I think the lash glue has over dried because it's not sticking to my eye. I don't know what to do. I am not about to continue this tutorial with only one eyelash, so we're gonna blow on this thing until it is tacky. I think it's done now. Next, I'm going to use mascara to turn my colored lashes to black so that they can blend. I believe the next thing is to highlight my face. You know that part of makeup where everybody paints their face all ooga booga style? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. That's the next thing. See what I mean by ooga booga style. First, I'm gonna take my blending sponge. I'm gonna take a bit of my setting spray. This setting spray, I would not recommend it for nobody. But when it comes to like helping in blending out, yeah, it works. It is the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. Okay, this LA lady, it surprised me. It's actually not that bad. It blended out not too badly. So the setting powder that I'm going to use, I'm sure y'all are familiar with the brand Black Opal. Well, my own is top Black Opal. As in, it's not just Black Opal, over top. It's on top, you get. Top Black Opal setting powder in the shade Dark. By the way, my LA lady is in the shade 04. Alright, for contour, I'm going to be using this powder. It's a Maybelline powder and it's in the shade 11 Cacao. I think what they mean is cocoa or something. So it's really dark, perfect for contour. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to apply blush. I want to blush. I'm going back in with my BH palette. I'm gonna use this one right here, right next to the red. All right, so yeah, blush is applied. Next, I'm going to do bronzer. I'm using this Seven Cool Professional Makeup. I've never heard of Seven Cool before in my life, but I'm going to be using the darker one. My nose, don't forget to make your I'm going to use my precision brush to apply a bit of that bronzer in the arc of my brows. I have never known how to do my nose contour. It always ends up looking somehow. Alright. For finishing powder, I'm going to be using the Zika Studio Fix HD High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. This is another thing that I think is not fake. It's in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I'm just going to apply it around my nose area just to calm things down. And I'm just going to generally apply it all over my face. I believe the next thing is lips now. First of all, of course, I'm going to moisturize my lips with my Vaseline lip balm. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty lip gloss that is most likely fake. Right, we are done. We've done the eyes, the nose, the lips, the mouth, everything. So I'm just gonna go over everything again with my finishing powder. Okay, we are done, I believe. I'm going to use this setting spray. Alright guys, I think this is the finished look. Wait. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think we are done. It's not terrible, but please, in the name of Jesus Christ, buy original makeup. And if you are like me and you've already bought the fake makeup, money cannot come and waste. You can see quite clearly that you can still make it work. You just have to figure out a couple of kinks. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a full face of fake and off-brand makeup. We saw brands that we have never heard of in our lives. We saw brands that we do know of, but the spelling is not correct, so we know that it is fake. We saw brands that even the spelling is correct, but deep down inside, for the price that we bought it, how can you buy Fenty lip gloss for 500 naira? It's not original. Comment down below if you like the look or if you feel like I should stop using the fake makeup, and also if you need my account details so that you can send me small cash that we used to buy the original makeup. Everything is down, all the conversation is going on in the comment section below. And while you're down there, I'm telling you again, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, because I know if you made it to this point of the video, you like this video. So just subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!